Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a video of what's in this year bag. That's it, what's in the bag. Or a package, if you will. And with that, if you could tell the day, I ordered this during Black Weekend after Thanksgiving. Sometime around maybe Black Friday, Black Saturday, Black Sunday, whatever. It's from Screen Wave Media. Now what did I order from there? And with that, let's take a look at it. What is in here? Let's take a look at it right now, y'all. Like right now. Let's go check it out. Say, what? There's nothing in this bag. It's empty. I open it up and it looked like there's nothing but rocks. Have I been a naughty boy this year? Have I? Seriously? Yo. Really bites the dust, yo. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? It's a t-shirt. Wait a minute, not just any t-shirt. Now, do any of you know who that is? I sure do. And I'll turn the back of the shirt and see what's in it. I mean, what's in the back of this year's shirt. And we're going to see who is the mystery character. And with that, y'all, let's see who this character is. Here it is, folks. AVGN. The Angry Video Game Nerd. Holy cow. This is the character. The Angry Video Game Nerd. The man himself. James Rolfe. Shout outs to you, James Rolfe. And if you've been following my channel, I left the links in the description box during the % off sale. And this shirt was about 20 bucks, y'all. Heck, you could have gotten it during Black Weekend. But if any of you guys are not a fan of video games or James Rolfe himself, you don't know what you're missing. And then for young generations, all you young B-U-C-K-S, young bucks out there, wouldn't know anything about video games, why don't you see this dude's videos? He's also known as the Cinemassacre, so you can subscribe to 2 of his channels. Links will be in the description box down below. Of course, to see his video game reviews from everything he had done, telling you what his opinion is. Is it worth it? Is it a must? Is it not worth it? It's not totally worth it. You better check it out. And he just did his video games of the Deluxe 1 and 2 of the Angry Video Game Nerd, which I already ordered myself a copy. Be coming pretty soon. Around early January of 2022. So yeah, I'm excited for that to show you all. And heck, any of you youngsters out there don't know who James Rolfe is, check it out. He doesn't just do video game reviews. He also does movie reviews, and you should see his entire rental store of what he's got, from VHS, beta tapes, laser discs, DVDs, and Blu-rays, and his opinions on certain franchises and stuff. So yeah, links will be in the description box down below. Let me see if Screensaver Media is still selling these. If not, oh well, better luck next time, y'all. So yeah, I'm excited. I finally got the shirt, and I'm pretty excited for the other items. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid.